saw chiro, saw physio, massage therapist, medications, things like that. And obviously, as you know, nothing really sort of hit the nail on the head. Nothing sort of gave me the confidence to sort of be able to get back to where I was. The last straw that sort of broke the camel's back was the sciatica, so that put me out for like 2 to 3 weeks. Like that was the last straw that really got me into like, I really need to fix this issue. That was the really scary part. Yeah, after finding you and sort of calming that sciatica and you having you were so confident that, you know, I'd get back to where I was. It gave me the confidence to move forward, but really like doing the exercise and doing them every day and sort of having the confidence to get back in the gym and doing any squats or deadlifts. Like last year was just putting pain and stinters in my back. So before I knew it, I was sort of doing those things again and feeling good, feeling confident, and mentally so much better. You know, I've got the tools now, which is I'll continue to use. So yeah, I'm back to doing everything, playing golf, back in the gym, deadlifting, squatting. Yeah, I just didn't want to have to worry about, you know, not being able to do this or that. Before you know it, it's 6 months and things are just completely different.